Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Zoom name on your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you can do this even if you don't have the Zoom application on your device, okay? So now you just want to open your browser, any browser that you are using, and then search for zoom.us. And now if you have an account, just go ahead and sign in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and sign up for one. Okay. So now just go ahead and sign in your account. Then I'm just gonna go with Google. I'm sorry. And now as you can see, this the name that I have. And now you just want to click on the edit option here at the right side of my name. And now just go ahead and change your name, okay? Like that. And you can also change your display name. And now just go ahead and click on save to save the changes that you done, okay? So now as you can see, your settings have been updated. So as you can see here, my name is now changed. It is not the same as before. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.